This video will explain how to sign up for the Wisconsin Landscape Pesticide Registry using the new MyDatCap process. Homeowners and renters can sign up if they want to know in advance when a business will apply pesticides to neighboring properties. Once you are registered, pesticide application businesses will provide advance notice of upcoming applications to those properties. The registry has been in existence since 1993, and the current regulations have not changed. However, we have an improved interface for signing up. We recommend that you use a current version of Internet Explorer. Type in datcp.wi.gov in the address line to get started. Next, go to the Online Services menu and click Landscape Pesticide Registry. If you already have a MyDatCap account, you may proceed by clicking Log On. Otherwise, if you need to register a new account, click Go to Landscape Registry. You will use your MyDatCap account to complete your sign up for next year's registry and to register properties in future years. To be included on the registry, properties must be registered each year during the open enrollment period of November 1st to February 1st. Please email DATCP Landscape Registry at wisconsin.gov with any questions about the registration process. To get started, enter your first and last name. Please note that you need to list your primary address or home address. Items with a red star are required. Your address will be checked against U.S. Postal Service database standards. If it does not validate, you will receive this message. To correct the address, click Enter a new address. Otherwise, if you believe the address is correct, select Use Address as entered. I entered a different address, 1228 Bowen Court, as another example. After I entered the address and zip code, the rest of the address, including the city and state, auto-populated. Next, I'll enter a phone number and then an email. In the section below, register with MyDatCap by adding your email and selecting a password. Passwords are required to be a minimum of 6 characters in length. The password must include at least 1 alpha and 1 numeric character and include both capital and lowercase. After entering your password and security questions, you will need to enter the text located on the bottom of the screen. This text may be entered in upper or lower case. If it's difficult to read, click the refresh button. Once completed, click Next to proceed. You should receive a confirmation email that your registration was successful. On the next screen, you may enter additional addresses such as a P.O. box or a mailing address by clicking the Add button. In this example, I've already added a P.O. box. To proceed, click Next.
On this screen, you can register properties by selecting parcels from the map or manually typing the address. First, scroll down to the map.
A web map is available as a tool for looking up addresses for the registry. First, enter your home address. Then click Search. A blue dot will be placed near your property. If your address is not found, you may need to move the map to the correct location by panning and zooming. You may zoom in to view more details such as address numbers. The gray lines represent approximate parcel land ownership boundaries. Click on the parcel to display additional address information. The I Want To menu contains additional functions. If you need to search for an additional address, you may click Search. If you'd like to see an aerial image, click Aerial Imagery. You are allowed to register properties that are located on your block and adjoining blocks. Parcels located further away cannot be included in the registry. Likewise, the registry does not apply to pesticide applications on utility or roadside right-of-way areas, including median strips, in or around buildings, or on agricultural land. This is why some parcels on the map are not displayed.
To add a parcel from the map, first select a parcel. The address will appear on screen. Then click the Add Parcel from Map button. Verify that the address is correct once it populates. If not, make changes. Click Save and the address is populated under the screen. Click Submit when you are finished adding properties.
To add parcels for notification, scroll down beneath the map and click Add Parcel manually. Type in the address displayed on the screen, then click Save. Continue to add addresses until you've selected all the addresses you want to be notified for pesticide application. After adding the addresses, click Submit. It will take a few seconds to process. Afterwards, you should receive a confirmation email that your registration was successful. Now your registration is complete. This screen displays the information you have entered into the registry. Verify that all the information is correct. If any changes are needed, be sure to complete them by February 1st. Log out and you are finished. Please note you may log back in and change your registration info before February 1st. Landscape registry information will be publicly available after March 15th.